it's nice and smooth and even. You see, it's not a fat middle and skinny hand and all there. And I'm going to put that marzipan towards the top, or just in the middle, like this, okay? The idea will be to cover it. So I may need to stretch my dough a little bit more, so it's nicely covered with dough, okay? Here we are. And you just stretch it gently, and you see it's still quite thick, and that's what you want. I'm going to put it like this, yeah, fantastic. And I'm going to cover it like this. And you can see like a lip, okay? And I'm going to seal that lip gently with the edge of my hand. Make sure that the ends are covered, so the marzipan is not sticking out. So that's a classic sort of stollen shape, going like this, with a flat part on the side, okay?